Want to enable ChatGPT voice to voice on phone? In this video, I will show you how. First of all, download and install the ChatGPT app on your device. Once you have installed it, launch open the app. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the two lines at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on your name at the bottom. Now you should find the option of voice. Select that. Make sure that the voice to voice is turned on over here. You can also input the language. For that, select that. Now go ahead and select your preferred language. Tap on OK. Now select your voice.
I'm looking forward. Hi there.
From here, go ahead and select your voice and tap on the done option. Next, enable background conversation. You also want to enable use as default assistant. Once you have toggled all of these options, the voice to voice will be enabled in ChatGPT, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.